Dan Strail with MKT Metal Manufacturing here at the 2019 AHR Expo and AHR Convention. We're here this week promoting our services and products to the industry. Some of the products we have with us this week are some TIG welded aluminum, some spiral, a penetration curb with cant and nailer, and a few samples of Spiromir, along with some standard rectangular TDC connected duct. Thank you for stopping by the booth. Have a good day.